This is one of the stranger ones that you're going to see. What you're looking at behind me is just a regular 1,000 to 1,200 square foot single family home. It's just a bungalow. In this case, the homeowner purchased it not long ago, and it had a commercial rooftop unit located on the end of the property. This place only has about this much space, 12 inches or so of crawl space underneath. Enough for the ductwork to go through, but not enough to put a furnace or any kind of equipment for the heating and cooling. So the previous owner had a rooftop unit installed on the ground in the back, and then the ductwork to go through. This is really cool, very unusual, and a real opportunity for us, because this is actually a really good idea if you don't have any space and you don't have a utility room and you don't want to build a place to put a furnace and encompass it, is that the word? Anyway, you know what I mean. So in this case, this unit is self-contained, goes on the outside, the return air goes into it, the supply air goes back through it, and everything works beautifully. Normally, we do these all the time. We put them up on plazas and office buildings, hotels. They go up on the roof and they just drop into place and they're tied into all the ductwork. But in this case, we just put it on the end of the building. Now, the part that you're going to find really cool and interesting is because of the location, we had to lift out the old unit and come out across the building. And then we had to bring the new one off of a flatbed, lift it up and bring it back and position it. And you'll see our guys working. You know, it's wintertime, it's cold, but it is a great solution if this is what you have to deal with in your home. So stay tuned, have a look at it, and I think you'll be excited about the way it turned out for them. Anyway, homeowners are very happy, and I'm happy because, hey, everybody's happy. Okay, guys. Well, this is the unit right here. Crane's coming shortly to lift it and put it in place. Cold day out today for you guys.
Very.
Who picked this day for you?
Somebody sits in a nice warm office.
Yeah, I guess. There's quite a bit of preparation work that the guys have to do at this point. They've got to get the panels off of the old unit, disconnect the electrical and the gas line. But the real challenge is they need to get all the old shingles and all of the old insulation and everything that was put in between this unit and the building. Normally, when you install these on the top of a commercial type building, they just drop right onto a transition curb and everything is sealed at that point. But these units typically aren't put on the end of a bungalow like this one is. So the guys have to get everything ready ahead of time so that then all they have to do is lift this unit out of place. They can get a much better look at all of their supply runs and their heat runs, and the metal can be fabricated and then sent back out to the job. So it takes them a few minutes longer to get ready, but they will be all set pretty quickly.
Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna go grab a drill and cut this apart then.
Well, we got a lift right up above and over top of the roof. So okay, we're going to go around and have a look at what they've got ready to be lifted out. Nice hot tub all covered in here. That's kind of cool. How'd the ductwork look for you guys to work with after? Is it?
Feels good.
Well, it is what it is. You shoveled it all the way around so they could go around, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh well.
That's all right. The weather had to hit just before they started doing this.
Yeah, well, there's going to be more coming after this anyway.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that is a big one. Hi, Michelle. I'm Doug. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You got a great new spot here for your summers.
Uh-huh.
So it'll be warmer soon too.
Oh, they had slabs down here, patio slabs.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm just taking a picture of what they had here. Try not to get Josh on video. He's on the most wanted list. So.
Is he in the top 10?
I don't think he made the top 10.
Oh, well then it's not important.
Yeah, I think the left side is the intake. And the right side, I think, was
The supply. Oh well, yeah, supply and return.
the return.
I don't know. He'll know.
Well, I am.
You could probably use it too. Because there's just like a pad that's done, like patio stones. So maybe it's getting you to put it on the patio stones and then Josh and I will try to slide it over. Oh, you don't know what you multiple lifts or what?
The crane operator needs to have his cell phone on, and he can't see where the new unit's going to land. So he's talking to Anthony, our guy on this side, so that he can guide him every step of the way. These guys are really good. They take their time, they're not in a hurry, and he's giving him precise instructions. As you see, the boom swing around a little bit. He'll move forward. They're just brushing against the neighbor's property and the trees. And then they're going to just maneuver it ever so slightly. They have to miss the roof and the eaves trough of the homeowner's property and then kind of squeak in. And they're going over top of an outdoor shed that was built. And the unit goes almost right up tight in behind it. So watching these guys operate is just something out of this world. Because if you can imagine being completely blindfolded and just working your controls while talking on your cell phone over top of the noise of the diesel engine of the crane at the same time. And just being very precise, landing it exactly where it needs to be. And these guys do this every day. So they're so good at what they do. I just get the biggest kick out of watching it, and I hope you really are too. So just keep an eye on it. You might be able to hear them talking on the phone.
Much smaller.
This is what's happening.
Wow, a lot smaller.
Like when we opened it up and you told me what size it was when I was here before, I couldn't believe it was only that small internally for the capacity. I thought it would have been twice the size.
This is very down. Alright, down a little bit more. We can get it. Thank you.
Well, that's the excitement. Excitement's over.
Damn.
So this is the unit now that it was installed. It's all put into place. Not much of a lift to get up overhead to drop it in with the crane, but it's all tied into the building. Everything's working good and the heat's on. So that's the end of this installation. A little bit unusual, but kind of cool to look at.